Okay, it's time for more of the little things that go into an old truck restoration. We're going to work on the steering wheel. Check this out. Just push down on it, turn counterclockwise, and the horn ring comes right off. Get your handy dandy steering wheel remover and take the steering wheel off. Okay, so cap goes over the button, the horn button. That came with the steering wheel remover kit. The screws, the bolts with the right thread go on there, all the way in. Voila. Okay, now here's my steering wheel. Cracked. Dirty. Ready for a restoration. Now I'll use my rotary tool and go ahead and widen out those cracks so we can get some of that PC7 putty in there and fill them completely. And PC7 applied. Worked it into all those little nooks and crannies. That looks pretty good. Pretty ugly, but pretty good. Filled twice. Sanded twice. I am ready to prime and paint. Let's go. Here I've applied some glaze putty in the finest cracks, then more of the endless sanding, then more glaze putty, then more endless sanding, then a final coat of high adhesion primer, and then final sanding with some 400 grit sandpaper. On to the last phase. Finally, the payoff. Painting. I'm using Ford Paint Code E, the original Colonial White. Okay, let's get this beauty back on there. I think that's straight. And the horn ring. Nice. Oh my goodness, that looks nice. That is sweet. Oh. That is so much better. Wow, look at that. Did that turn out beautiful or what? That's way too pretty. A truck should never look so pretty. Well, yes it should. Okay, well you know I gotta take it out for a drive, so I'm gonna do that now. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hammer away at that subscription button, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks.